The star, and she has been a regular here on my show as well. The lovely Paridhi Sharma joins me live. Paridhi, hello to you.
Hello.
Hello,
Thank you so much for such a lovely introduction.
How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah, Raj, I'm absolutely fine.
How is lockdown life, and how is the kind of return back to work with the new show?
Well, lockdown life is actually difficult and very challenging in every which way because we are not accustomed to live like this. So it is difficult, but somehow they मतलब काम तो करना ही है, घर से बाहर निकलना ही है, तो प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करते हुए चल रहे हैं. बट डेफिनेटली इट्स नॉट इजी बिकॉज वो जो एक फ्रीडम थी लाइफ की वो थोड़ी कम हो गई है और इस तरह से रहना पड़ रहा है.
But you now back to work, है ना? तो आपने शूटिंग शुरू कर ली है. So how has that been for you?
Yeah, I'm back to work. I'm feeling great because for an actor, facing the camera is the ultimate happiness. It gives ultimate happiness. So yeah, I'm enjoying that phase of my life. And thankfully, a lot of precautions is being taken care on the set. So easy है काम करना क्योंकि काफी हर तरीके से प्रिकॉशन लिए जा रहे हैं. तो एक सेफ्टी है दिमाग में कि हाँ यहाँ पे सेफ है, सिक्योर है. So yeah, like it's great. I'm enjoying portraying this wonderful character of Ma Vaishno Devi.
We're going to talk about the show in a moment. I just want to quickly touch upon the how you felt. You know, जब आपने lockdown के बाद आप sets पर गई थी. How did you feel? Did you feel a little bit kind of nervous, apprehensive? I mean, what kind of feelings were going inside you when you first approached the show?
Yeah, initially I was actually very skeptical. So मैंने discuss किया था कि until and unless I won't feel safe here, I won't take the show. But once I went there, I'd gone to like all the precaution measures what they are taking. तो फिर मुझे काफी संतुष्टि मिली. मुझे लगा कि it's a safe place to work. और जिस तरह से और thankfully हमारा set भी green zone में है. तो yeah, that gave an added advantage. तो वो पहले दिन नर्वसनेस तो थी पर वहाँ जाकर काफी कॉन्फिडेंट हो गई मैं. और नाउ आई एम वर्किंग. इट्स बीन मोर देन अ मंथ ऑलमोस्ट. And yeah, we all are safe and secure.
So, that's good because now we can talk about the show Jug Janani Ma Vaishno Devi, which is on Star Bharat, and it's a switch from your role from what you did in Patiala Waves to a mythological show. Wow, what a transformation, may I add. How has that been for you, kind of switching from a commercial character to playing something like this?
It is actually very difficult. Initially, I thought that I already had done a costume drama like Jodha Akbar. I have put command on the language Hindi. So I thought this character would be quite close to it, so it would be easy for me to handle this one. But when I started actually enacting it, I realized that it is way more different and difficult. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा ठहराव और स्टिलनेस की जरूरत है. डायलॉग में आंखें ब्लिंक नहीं करना है. हर बॉडी तब पूरी तरह से माइंड का स्टेट, मेंटल स्टेट और फिजिकल स्टेट एकदम स्टिल होना चाहिए. तब जाके वो देवत्व वाला एक जेस्चर आता है. सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट. तो दिस इज लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग आउट इन माइथोलॉजी. सो या प्लेइंग दिस पार्ट इज लाइक डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज बिल्कुल भी ह्यूमन का इमोशन नहीं है इसके अंदर. वो देवी का इमोशन में बहुत ज्यादा ठहराव है. तो मुझे बहुत अपने आप को हर तरीके से कंट्रोल करके डायलॉग डिलीवर करना पड़ता है.
Wow, that's interesting. You know, it's so good to hear that from an actor, the kind of things that you have to do to get into a role like this. I was going to actually ask you, I mean, do you feel that there's a lot of responsibility when you're playing such a character?
Yes, there's huge responsibility because people already have a kind of association with this. I mean, not character, but Devi Ma. So, and Vaishno Devi, like, बहुत ज़्यादा उनके भक्त हैं and बहुत पूजनीय है वो. तो, of course, in India, she is huge Devi. So, of course, I have huge responsibility because ultimately people will relate me to that Devi. So, I need to justify, to that expectation of my audience. So yeah, I definitely feel that sense of responsibility.
So when you started shooting for this show, do you particular research? Did you watch any films from before? कि कैसा करना है?
मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा रेफरेंसेस तो है नहीं. वैष्णो देवी मूवी आई ट्राई टू सर्च बट देन शायद बहुत पुरानी मूवी है तो आई कुडंट गेट गुड क्वालिटी टू वॉच ऑन यूट्यूब. So yeah, but what I'm doing is actually I've started meditating to portray this character. Until unless otherwise I won't get that sense of stillness in my like emotion. So for that actually I've started meditation and that is really helping me out.
That's very good. And can I also ask you, when it comes to, the attire and the whole look, it's quite heavy with your costume. So how long is it taking you to get ready and getting out of your costume?
Yeah, initially it takes me like long hours, almost for 2 hours I took to get ready for that Maha Avatar of Mata Rani, which is very, very tiresome. Because as a person, I don't like to sit in makeup room and just get myself ready. I like to face camera and be in action. But somebody asked me to sit in makeup room for hours just to get ready. That is very bored. It is very boring and tiresome. But yeah, it is part of my character, so I had to face this thing or tolerate this thing. But yeah, it almost take me 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get ready.
Is that as long as when you were in Jodha Akbar, or is it longer?
No, Jodha was less. Like in Jodha, I used to take only 1 hour to get ready. Abhi isme aur zyada time बढ़ गया है.
Oh wow, okay. And is the makeup and everything done by yourself because of the restrictions, or?
Yeah. So I started doing it on myself initially, but now I feel quite secure because the makeup दादा ये सब भी काफी green zone से आते हैं and safe to get उनमें वो सारे प्रिकॉशन फॉलो करते हैं. दे वेयर ऑल दैट पीपीई पूरा वो पहने रहते हैं. तो अब मैं उनसे करवाने लगी हूँ. बट इनिशियली व्हेन आई केम आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑन माय ओन ओनली.
ठीक है. Parithi, I also want to ask you, there's a lot of fans. Let's talk about Patiala Babes, your previous show. There's fans, obviously, that were upset with the way producers handled your character and the way you exited the show. Now, when it comes to production houses, what's your take on production houses and how confident are you when it comes to saying yes to a particular production house for a new show?
Yeah, so production house, it should be a good production house. We don't consider that much the production house more than the character which entices an actor. And of course, it should not be a very new, because I had already worked with this Patiala based production house. I had already done one show with them previously, and that time my experience was really good. So I had the same kind of expectation this time also, but somehow things didn't turn up the way I was expecting. And then everybody knows what happened.
Yeah. We do, yeah. But does that kind of lose a little bit of confidence within yourself in a particular production house when something like this happens? Because, like you said, you have worked with them before, and it's surprising how things turned out this time round with Patiala Babes.
Yeah, it does. It does that. It does impact that confidence. But then ultimately one has to move on, and I've moved on.
Yeah, good.
Otherwise, yeah.
ठीक है. I'm sorry. क्या कह रहे? Did you say something?
No, I didn't say. You please carry on.
Okay, ठीक है. Parithi, let's also talk about some of the questions that have been coming in from your fans, and there's a lot of them. All right, so let's try to keep the answers as short as possible. Manisha, firstly, is asking, if you get a chance to work in someone's biopic, whether it was in TV or a web show, which biopic would you like to star in?
Okay, that's interesting one. Biopic. अभी तो मुझे अहिल्या बाई दिमाग में आ रही है. शी इज रानी है अहिल्या बाई. उनके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा बातें नहीं हुई हैं, बट शी इज वेरी वेल रिनोव्ड महारानी ऑफ होलकर टाइम. So yeah, that's one.
Good.
I would like to portray.
Someone different, hey? Kritika wants to know, if you were to name one person for giving you the push to where you are now in life, who would that one person be?
Of course, my husband Tanmay. He's the only one who always pushes me to do better things in my life.
Oh, nice. And Kiran wants to know, okay, what did you enjoy the most during the lockdown period? Was it spending time, because you've got a child as well, so we know that you got a family, so was it that period that you enjoyed the most?
Yes, I literally enjoyed lockdown duration with my family in my hometown Indore, and we had a great time. Seriously, like after very long, I thoroughly enjoyed my space with my family completely. So yeah.
Okay, and another question here. What was your reaction when you were first approached for the show, Vaishno Devi? What was the first reaction? Were you excited? Were you a little bit like, oh no, this is too much of responsibility? I mean, kaisi feeling thi?
No, I was really excited because earlier also I had done Vaishno Devi for a day, and somehow that serial didn't materialize. So again, somehow this show came to me. So yeah, I was really excited, and the reason why I, decided to do the show is only because it's Vaishno Devi. Otherwise, I would have refrained from shooting for some more time.
Right, okay. By the way, there's some interesting questions from Alex, one of your fans. One question Alex wants to know is, does the comparison of your roles by your audience make you go through self-doubt? I mean, how much pressure do you feel, when it comes to kind of making sure that you live up to your fans' expectations for a particular role?
See, it depends. I believe in giving my 100%, which I've done in all my shows. So similarly, I'm behaving with the show also, but after a point you can't pressurize yourself because you have your personal life also. I have a baby also, so पूरे दिन मैं यही नहीं सोच के रख सकती हूँ कि मैं सही कर रही हूँ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I may falter, I will improve, but and I'll try to give my 100%, but beyond that I don't take that much pressure कि मेरी personal health or personal life suffer कर जाए.
That's true. Yeah, no, good to hear that. What's the one characteristic you admire in others? What is the one thing that you like about others?
About whom?
What's the one characteristic that you admire in other people?
In other people? I think honesty. That's one thing I really admire.
Nice. That's good, yeah. And there's a question here. What's the one thing you'd like to change within yourself?
Within myself, maybe I should, sometimes I really get lazy on doing exercises, so I think I should more indulge myself in exercise and all.
Okay. Well, you do it. I mean, with your attire on and the amount of clothes that you've got on and the jewelry, I'm sure that's a workout of its own when you're in the character. When you're walking around.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
It's okay. Anyway, Paridi, I was going to also ask you, how much travelling do you like doing? Because there's fans that are asking, what's your favourite exotic location?
Well, I mean, my favorite exotic location is actually in India. It's Kerala.
Oh, yes.
Because I love the scenic beauty and nature. So any place which is close to nature is actually I would like to explore. So first priority is all those places in India. Then maybe अभी तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोविड की सिचुएशन की वजह से 2-3 साल ट्रैवल भी मैं करूंगी abroad.
Yeah.
But हाँ, तो भी इंडिया ही टारगेट करना चाहिए.
It is true. Yeah, exactly. Explore places in your own country. I mean, that's what we're doing in the UK, exploring places that we've not been to because of the COVID situation. Paridi, I just want to say thank you so much for coming on my show today. I know fans have been asking so many questions. They've been saying all sorts and praising you and giving you lots of love. I mean, what's the one thing you like to give back to your fans? I mean, itna sara pyar jo aapko dete hain.
I'm always very thankful and grateful to my fans for being so supportive and loving to me, like always. और बस वही जो मुझे acknowledge करते हैं, इतना motivate करते हैं, उसके लिए I'm really thankful to them. और इससे ज़्यादा इंसान और क्या expect कर सकता है? मतलब जिस तरह से fans इतनी मोहब्बत देते हैं, तो I'm like really thankful to them.
Or Johnny Sipele, you're off today from work. You're back tomorrow? Are you back shooting tomorrow?
Yes, I'm shooting tomorrow.
So what can we expect in terms of your shooting? What's going to be happening in the show?
Tomorrow, I think some very interesting sequence is going to happen. I don't know I can reveal it or not, but something बहुत ही different रूप में मुझे देखेंगे, जो कि माता रानी का भी नहीं होगा. कुछ अलग गेटअप में मैं आने वाली हूँ. So देखते रहे शो, बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाएगा सबको मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's going to be interesting. That's going to be over the next few days. We'll watch that Jagjanani Ma Vaishno Devi on Star Bharat. I just want to say thank you, Paridi. Every time you come on, it is a delight to talk to you, and you're a very nice, warm person. And वो positive vibes जो आते हैं ना, वो आज मिल गए. So thank you very much for that.
Thank you, Raj. It's equally delight to speak with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
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 You.
There you go. That's the lovely Paridi Sharma. Really good talking to her. Now, she's lead actress in Jagjanani Ma Vaishno Devi, which airs on Star Bharat. Do check it out.